Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a 2-layer mango jelly. The bottom layer is a clear agar jelly mixed with diced mango, and the top layer is a creamy coconut milk jelly. The final result is refreshingly light and mildly sweet. You can enjoy it on its own, or pair it with mango sweet soup, mango tea, or yogurt. All super tasty options. Full ingredient details are in the video description. First, we'll start with the clear jelly layer. I'm mixing agar powder with sugar, then pouring water into a pot and adding the sugar agar mix while stirring continuously. Keep stirring as you cook over medium-low heat to fully dissolve the agar. Once it starts to boil, lower the heat and simmer for another 3 minutes while stirring, just to make sure everything is fully dissolved. After that, turn off the heat but keep stirring a bit to let it cool down slightly. Now I'm adding diced mango into the mold. When the jelly mixture has cooled slightly, pour it into the mold and stir gently so the mango pieces are evenly distributed. Then let it sit undisturbed so the jelly can set. While that's setting, let's prepare the coconut milk layer. We'll do the same as before. Mix the agar powder with sugar. Then pour unsweetened milk and coconut cream into a pot, stir well, and add the sugar agar mix. Again, pour and stir at the same time, and cook it over medium-low heat. When it starts to simmer, lower the heat and cook for another 3 minutes, then turn off the heat. Before pouring this layer over the clear jelly, use a knife tip or a toothpick to gently score the surface of the first layer. This helps both layers stick together better and prevents them from separating. Now just pour the coconut jelly layer on top, let it cool completely, then cover and chill in the fridge for about 4 to 5 hours until fully set and nice and cold. Perfect for serving. And here it is. After more than 4 hours in the fridge, our mango jelly is ready. It looks beautiful with 2 distinct layers, and it's deliciously light, sweet, and fragrant. Try pairing it with mango tea or mango dessert soup. You'll love it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.